So today's May 22nd. It's time to thin some of the fruit on the peach. Here's my baby. He loves to thin out the fruit. So let's say you see that. Gonna keep that fruit and remove most of these other ones on the tree, because it's supposed to be on a standard non-peach tree. It's 3 to 5 inches. Not getting 3 to 5 inches, and these peach get this big. So if you can imagine, it's not gonna fit one over here. So this will be too close. So which one to thin depends where is it located at. Probably thin one of them, but it's so hard to thin at early stage. But at least my tree's miniature, so it's not that hard to thin on a miniature tree compared to a standard peach tree. It would be very, very hard to thin it if it was too big. You gotta be a reachable height. So I'm pulling some flowers off so I can actually see what I'm doing to know where to thin. You don't want to take the leaves off because you need a certain amount of leaves to ripen a certain amount of peach. If there isn't enough leaves, the fruit will abort itself. So that's why you do need to thin the fruit and not the leaves. And I know people have been, picking off some peach leaf curls. You can only do that when you have a few. Imagine a whole big infected tree. It'll be very difficult to do so. You can see on my miniature, it's hard to see exactly where they are because you got leaves, you got these flowers. Yeah, so basically each one of these branch will be only one fruit. You can see how they're further spaced out. You have to imagine how big the fruit will get once it ripens. That will kind of help you determine which one to thin out. Like there's gonna be three. Three is not gonna fit here. That will fit there. So right here, and obviously my tree's potted, so I'll be rotating it to see the other side to thin it out. But just a quick video on how I thin my miniature peach tree.